So hello my brothers, today new Stronghold Crusader video, so let's try this, like the Burgermaster with red, so this is the red, not known is in the red body. Well, like when I first time when I use this the Burgermaster, well he have 0 units for the attack, slaves, and some slingers and some archers, and that's it. So he has 0 attack, 0. Well, maybe weakest than the red, maybe not. Okay, so let's try like red with this. Oh, I don't want like to use the Sultan with him, because bro, Sultan have like serious troops. Well, he have a lot of Arabian swordsmen and well, defense, well, like fire throwers, so he can have good defense with swordsmen with fire defense. But okay, let's see, like red, can he like beat, can red beat like this Burgermaster? Well, okay, this will be oh, wow, this will be interesting. But you lord have the OP weakest units in the game, so but okay, so one thing, I have some settings like for red, like I don't know, it's vanilla, well, like the Tata Kessel OCP fixed, or some settings for red when he have the swarmens and swarms, but it's not something strong. He have like the swarmens for the attack, so yeah, the only settings for him. Okay, so let's see the Burgermaster, he will like attack, but with slingers and some archers, and slaves will like burn the... Yo, bro. So his attack is archers and slingers. And slaves to burn the... As you can see of his... Yo, insane, bro. Bro, what the heck is... Yo, insane! Yo, what the heck, bro? Ah, no, I misclicked to hear the Burgermaster, the victory message. Yo, bro, what the heck, bro, rat can't, bro, how is this red so useless, bro? Yo, what the heck is this waste, bro, this red is so useless. Okay, so just quick test, like the... Okay, so I don't have the Sultan there, as you can see, he's in the Sultan place. No, Saladin is there, no, Saladin is there, so Caliph is there, Sultan, and... Yeah, so he's in the Caliph place. Yo, I can do like the series like I did in the previous. I can do that, I guess. Yeah, I can do that. Like the in the body. Like okay, so we have the Wolfsack and he's in the Saladin place. So I can like use the Saladin with the Wolfsack, Burgermeister with the Caliph, Bandit with Sultan, Demon with Richard, Charles. Okay, I can do that. I can do that. Just in the red body, the all the AI. So yeah, the Lionheart in red body, and yeah, the Frederick in red body tons of time use. So like Frederick was Charles, Jane was King Philip, I guess, is there. Yeah, you know what I mean. So okay, I can do that. I can do that. It will be cool. But yeah, I can't use like Charles with a bear, because bear is not in the patch at all. So this is like the regular AI, and settings is for them, but this like is in the AI, so I can't use the Charles with bear, and or Huibach with Inquisitor, only with Sabut. So that's yeah, but okay, I can do that. I can do that. It will cool like Huibach with these lords. Okay, so why not to try? They like replace their places. So okay, I will do that, my brothers. It will be cool. So okay, my brothers, thanks for watching, and see ya next time.